fresh ground Bay Sidamo. Started using this Bodum. It's about 17 ounces it makes. Always preheat it. You gotta preheat your mugs too. Got in a rut for a while just using a pour over, and I got sick of buying filters for it. Now we've got this stainless steel pour over and the Bodum 17 ounces, so my wife and I can have a cup at the same time, and we have really loved it. With the small amount of grounds you can fit in this, it really focuses you on being a slow pourer because you got to wait for that to get through it, right? Sometimes we could get bogged down with the same old cup of coffee. In those cases, you gotta branch out and try a different style. Like this is a mini Chemex, but it's still completely different because this comes with the stainless steel permanent filter that you can just scrub and clean and use as needed, right? Never need another filter. That's one thing I really love about this. One of the differences that has made in our coffee is it's a little bit muddier finish, just like a French press would be. There's a little bit of that sediment in the bottom. But overall, I've really loved how this thing brews a cup of coffee for us. And it's 2 cups in one, so it's perfect for times when my wife and I can share a cup together. So from what I understand, and what a lot of people believe, is Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee. And I would probably agree with that. And it makes some of the best coffee varieties out there. This one says the tasting notes, berry, apricot, cacao. And I can see that. Some of my favorite Ethiopian is actually Yirgacheffe. And the blueberry notes specifically for messenger coffee, I have got to get that stuff on the channel for a review. ASAP. It's probably going to be in season very shortly. Sometime in March last year it was around, so I'm hoping very shortly to get some. Comes with a nice little thing to keep it warm and to pour it as well. One of the hardest things can be to wait patiently while your coffee cools off enough so that you can eat it, drink it. Friend got us a Starbucks mug. So nice. It's an excellent cup of coffee. Probably some of the better coffee I've had this season so far. Thank you, Bay.